You're drowning in invoices, late payments, and a constant feeling of financial uncertainty. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Running a small business can feel like a financial roller coaster. But what if there's a system, a lifeline, to bring some order to the chaos? Today, we're diving deep into whether YNAB, the wildly popular budgeting app, can actually be a game changer for your small business. YNAB stands for You Need a Budget. It's built on the philosophy of giving every dollar a job, forcing you to confront your spending and make conscious choices. But does this framework, designed for personal finance, truly translate to the complexities of running a business? Let's tackle some common hesitations. YNAB is for individuals, not businesses. While YNAB was initially geared towards personal finance, its core principles of mindful spending and tracking cash flow are undeniably valuable for businesses. My business is too unique for a generic budgeting app. YNAB provides a flexible framework. You can adapt categories to fit your specific business needs. For example, instead of groceries, you might have inventory costs, marketing expenses, or contractor fees. I already use accounting software. Do I need YNAB too? YNAB and accounting software aren't mutually exclusive. YNAB helps you plan your spending, while accounting software tracks your transactions. They complement each other. Here's how YNAB can be a powerful tool for your business. Improved cash flow visibility. YNAB forces you to anticipate and allocate funds for upcoming expenses. This prevents those dreaded surprise bills that can derail your cash flow. Reduced spending leaks. By categorizing every expense, you can quickly identify areas where you're overspending. This could be anything from excessive marketing costs to unnecessary subscriptions. Increased profitability. By making conscious spending decisions, you can free up more cash for reinvestment in your business, whether it's hiring new talent, expanding your product line, or exploring new markets. Improved financial decision-making. YNAB provides a clear picture of your financial health. This empowers you to make informed decisions about pricing, investments, and overall business strategy. Practical tips for implementing YNAB in your business. Start with a realistic budget. Begin by accurately forecasting your income and expenses. Don't underestimate costs. Categorize every expense. Be meticulous in categorizing each transaction. This will give you valuable insights into your spending patterns. Regularly review your budget. Schedule regular budget reviews, weekly or monthly, to track progress, make adjustments, and stay on top of your finances. Utilize YNAB's reporting features. Leverage YNAB's built-in reports to gain deeper insights into your business's financial performance. You might be thinking, but what if my business is seasonal? What if unexpected expenses arise? Embrace the flexibility. YNAB allows for adjustments. You can revise your budget as needed to accommodate seasonal fluctuations or unforeseen circumstances. Utilize the True Expenses feature. This feature helps you account for irregular expenses like taxes or insurance premiums by spreading them out over time. YNAB may not be a magic bullet, but it can be a valuable tool for any small business owner seeking to gain control of their finances. By embracing its principles of mindful spending and proactive planning, you can improve cash flow, reduce financial stress, and ultimately set your business up for long-term success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.